Alright, hello. Welcome to another one. Obviously, as you can tell by the title of this video, the main purpose of this video is kind of to do a microphone test. But, you know, the thing is, so yesterday I tried to do this and I failed just because the cable I was using, the cable I was using just, I don't know, wasn't working with the receiver for the wireless mic. But I think with this new helmet, I think we can go fully wireless. The issue is that pocket of air that was right here, it's with it no longer being there, I feel like I can actually record. I don't know, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out when I get home. And then something else that's nice too. So, this is where it's located. It's located right here, okay? The speaker for my music is right here. I figured out how I can listen to music and still have the mic to where it doesn't pick up. I just moved the balance all the way over to the side that it's not on. And it's actually kind of nice because I feel like I have that YouTuber kind of headspace, you know, where I'm peaceful, quiet. And then if I want to listen to music, I just shift focus to the left. And then I have music. That makes sense? I don't know. We're just gonna ride it. But I do know, I guess to start, there's 3 levels that I would normally be speaking at. This is obviously normal. And hopefully it's not peaking, but there's this normal. There's this normal, which is whispering, which I'll never fucking do. And then, you know, the old usual, what the fuck are we doing? That I know peaked. Alright, let's ride! Hell yeah, fellow biker, what's up, boy? Dude, I need this wireless mic to work, because if not, the backup plan, I'm not cool with. I am not okay with the alternative that I have to do. If I have to run a wire into my helmet to record videos, I'm going to absolutely fucking hate that. Oh my god, bro! Fucking moving through traffic right now. I love this, bro. Hopefully I can get around all these people to do my favorite corner that I take every day. It's like a nice little chicane, bro. It's really, it's nice, bro. I'm not gonna hit. I'm not gonna be able to. There's too many cars. There's not enough space to catch the speed that I need. Unless... down. Oh shit! Oh, okay. Ooh. I just saw this guy's red lights and I thought there was a car in front. And you know what's nice too? The wind ain't so bad. You know, it's rainy, goggles. Maybe once I get on the highway, but we're gonna end this video before that. This is just a fuck around right now. Please let this mic work, dude. God, I need a win. I need a win. I wonder, alright, well, you know, since I'm doing it like this, so this would be with the visor open, and then this is what it would sound like with the visor closed. I don't know if it's that big of a difference. God, I just hope I don't have peaking the fucking mic, bro. I need this wireless mic to work. I've been trying. I've been battling with this shit for so long. Wait, no, it can't be that bad. It's literally tucked in this pocket right here. I don't know. We'll see. I was about to end it, but I'm gonna keep this part in, literally just because I like this little light area, you know? Want to give me a nice little shot. I think a nice little city shot would be fucking gas. Just taking a little nap at the stoplight. Night night. Get around these cars. Alright, well, there's a little shot that we wanted. Alright, we are going to do a quick highway test, and then we're gonna end it. God, please let this shit work. Oh yeah, the highway test is bad. I can tell. That shit is bad. I mean, but maybe with the bike, nah, bro, I can tell. That wind is horrible. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ouskies, Bukowskis. I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one? No! 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 No!